40 minus 30 divided 2 minus 1. How would you solve this? Are you doing like this? 40 minus 30 is 10, then divided 2 minus 1 is 1, 10 divided 1 is 10. Are you getting 10 as your answer? If it is not the correct answer. Why? Because this is a question of order of operation, and in order of operation we first solve parenthesis, then exponents, then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So you see, subtraction is at the end. Before subtraction you have to do division. So in this question we will first do division and then this subtraction. So it will be 40 minus 30 divided by 2 is 15, then minus 1. We can start from left to right, or what we can do, we can add these two negatives. Minus 15 minus 1 will be minus 16. Then you can subtract 16 from 40, or we can start from left to right. 40 minus 15 is 25, then 25 minus 1 is 24. So answer is 24 and not 10. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.